Good evening, everyone. I want to welcome you to my channel, Success with Velvet. I'm your host, Velvet Davis. I've been an online marketer since 2014, and I started this YouTube channel back in 2017. So if you are someone who's looking for an online home-based business, or just to make, some money online so you can put extra couple dollars in your pocket, you've come to the right channel. Now, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can be notified when I upload a new video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about a 100% done-for-you system and how you can make money online with it. Okay, so as you guys can see, we're on the page right now, the website. It's called The Conversion Pros. For those of you that know about The Conversion Pros, and for those of you that don't, The Conversion Pros is a done-for-you, 100% complete done-for-you marketing system. It does all the selling and telling for you. All you have to do is market it. Okay? They have done-for-you capture pages. The capture pages are 100% already set up for you. All you will have to do is just change the wording around a bit. It basically says everything you need to know to grow a profitable business today. Make unique, high-converting landing pages look easy with our full suite of marketing tools. Now, scroll down here. This is what they offer. They have a landing page builder, contact relations, automated emails, SMS broadcasts, text messages. So you can build landing pages, capture pages. You have contact relations software, automated emails. You can send out emails. They will be sent out on your behalf. You have follow-up. You have leads that you can purchase for as low as, $50. Not too many opportunities or systems. I have joined a couple of done-for-you systems, and they do not have nothing that can compare to the Conversion Pros. Okay, so I'm letting you know right now that I've joined a couple of marketing systems back in the day, and none of them, I can say honestly, hands down, the Conversion Pros has everything that I've been looking for a while. They have success stories. They basically have testimonials you guys can look at. It used to be a 7-day free trial offer. Now they changed it to a 14-day free trial. And what I like about this is, you know how with trial offers you have to enter a credit card, it charges you $1. Well, with the Conversion Pros, you get to try out the system for 2 weeks for free. You don't enter your credit card information at all unless you choose to buy into it. Okay? And I'm letting you know now it is $50 a month. But a lot of people have opted into the Conversion Pros, have joined, and they are making a lot of money with the system. I'm just bringing this to your attention because I know some of you out there are looking to build an online business and you need a marketing system, a done-for-you marketing system for those of you that don't have time to sit there and, make YouTube videos like I do. So you guys can get the word out by making a capture pages and everything. So flexible landing pages done in minutes, drag and drop, customize. You can customize your capture pages. This basically has everything you guys could need in it. They give you leads. You have your own autoresponder. It's a built-in autoresponder. You do not have to connect. You can connect one, but you don't have to. It's $50 a month. It has a 14-day free trial offer, which means you try out the system for 14 days. If you don't like it, you can always cancel. But they don't require you to pay anything unless you choose to buy into it. So let's look at some of the testimonials here. These are testimonials from people that have purchased the Conversion Pros and are making money with it as we speak. Okay, so this is Jennifer, and she says, I am still in awe at the amount of value you get at the Conversion Pros and for such a small price tag. The Conversion Pros has made marketing fun and exciting. I'm amazed at how easily you can create stunning pages of your own and blow everyone else out of the water. You definitely get more interest when you are not using the same old boring pages everyone else is. I was getting signups my very first day, and the Conversion Pros makes the training fun to watch. I don't know anywhere else that you can get all of this for such a small price, and the Conversion Pros keeps adding great content. Most other places will give you one thing or another, but here at TCP they give it all to you. That stands for the Conversion Pros. Well done to the Conversion Pros. You are pure genius. That's just a testimonial. There's a bunch of them here from real people real members that have joined the Conversion Pros. And she was telling the truth. Some of these marketing systems, they don't have everything the Conversion Pros has. You have to purchase leads from a separate website if you want leads. You would have to, go purchase a landing page builder or find another page that you can create landing pages for free. And some of those landing pages are not good. Okay, but the Conversion Pros landing pages are amazing. Okay, let me show you some of the landing pages that we offer, that the Conversion Pros offers, that I have already built and marketed. Okay, so here we are on a couple of the capture pages that the Conversion Pros has already made for you, already set up. This is if you're wanting to market social media, if you're trying to get leads for social media. Okay, so this is one of the Conversion Pros capture pages for YouTube ads. If you're looking to market on YouTube and run YouTube ads, this is the capture page for that. Okay, and over here we have Twitter, and then we have Snapchat. These are all the Conversion Pros capture pages, you guys. Facebook Live, Pinterest, and Instagram. Okay, so I will leave a link to these courses, to these capture pages below. And if you guys are interested, any of you out there, you're interested in learning how to market on YouTube, Twitter, Snapchat, you want to do Facebook Live, you want to do Pinterest or Instagram, I will leave all the links below so you guys can check those out. Make sure you fill in the correct information so you can receive your courses on whichever one you choose. So if you're gonna opt into for YouTube ads, enter your correct information so we can get that course sent to you and you can receive it in your email. Okay, for all of these, you must enter in your valid email address so you can receive if you're interested in marketing on any of these platforms. But these are the capture pages that were created with the Conversion Pros that I personally got leads from. For leaving these links on my YouTube description, I got leads alone from this. Okay, so if you're looking to market the Conversion Pros, you can market the Conversion Pros, and you can also market these courses as well. Okay, just I will leave the link in the description below if you're interested in learning how you can get paid to give away these same exact capture pages. Remember, if someone joins you and does a 14-day free trial offer, that's actually a lead. Okay, so if they opt in under you and they take the trial, that's a lead. You want to make sure you follow up with them so they can, so you can help them and also let them know that there's training in the back office, tons of training. The Conversion Pros offers tons of training. So if you guys are interested in making money with a 100% done for you system, I would like for you to like this video, share it, subscribe, tap on the notification bell so you can get notified when I upload a new video. I will leave a link to all of these capture pages in the description below. I will also leave a link to a presentation you guys can watch, and if you decide to get started, you can just click the link below the presentation. It will take you to the 14-day free trial offer where you can get started with the Conversion Pros absolutely free and try out the system. See you guys on the inside.